Hello students, our today's topic is going to be a quadratic equation MCQ test. Now as we all know that for a particular question we'll be having 4 options. Out of the 4 options, maybe one or maybe more than one will be the answer. Okay, so if you see on the right hand side top corner, I have given you a 30-second timer. So with each question, okay, a 30-second timer will pop up and you have to solve the sums. Okay, so before we start, okay, you pause the video and grab a pen and a paper, okay, so that you can solve the sums. So let's start. All the best. Here comes the first one. Which of the following the root of the quadratic equation x square plus 10x plus 21 equal to 0? To find the root. Last 5 seconds. Time up, students. So the correct answer is -7. Okay, how? Let's see. Now the question was we had to find the root of the quadratic equation. So what I'm doing is we are solving the equation by a factorization method. After we solve the equation, you can see we get two answers, that is -3 and -7, and out of all the options, okay, -7 is the answer. Now this is one method, or students, you can even solve the sum by this method. Okay, we have 4 options, so each option you can substitute in the equation and check whether your answer is coming 0. Okay, so when I substitute -7, I get answer as 0, but I would prefer you doing with the first method because that is going to be quick. Okay, because the second method you have to do all the 4 options and obviously that is going to consume a lot of time, so I won't prefer that. Okay, so let's see the next one. What are the zeros of a quadratic equation? Careful with the signs. Last 5 seconds. Time up, students. So the correct answer is 8, -6. Okay, so the solution is this. We have to find the zeros of a quadratic equation. Simply we have to solve the equation by factorization method. Okay, you can have a look at the solution. Okay, so the correct answer is 8 and -6. That is option B. Okay, let's start with the third one. Here we go. What is the value of alpha plus beta? We need to remember the formula, students. Alpha plus beta. Okay. Time up. The correct answer is 5. Okay. Now recall the formula for alpha plus beta. What is the formula for alpha plus beta? Minus b by a. Okay, minus b by a. So the value of b is -10 and value of a is 2. So after substituting, what we get is answer 5, that is option A. Okay, let's do the next one. To find the value of b square minus 4ac. Five seconds. Time up, students. The correct answer is 0. Okay, let's see the calculations. B square minus 4ac. So we are just substituting all the values, that is the values of a, b and c. Okay, and you can have a look at the calculation. The answer is 0. 400 minus 400, 0. Okay, students, we are down with 4 MCQs. We are still left with 6. So just let me know in the comment box, students, how you are liking this. Okay, let's start with the next one. For which value of k the equation has real roots? Okay, real roots. What is the condition for real roots? We need to know that. Last 10 seconds. Okay, time up, students. The correct answer is plus or minus 2 root 6. Okay, now the condition is equal roots. So what is the condition of equal roots? B square minus 4ac equal to 0. So we are just substituting all the values in b square minus 4ac, and you can see the calculation, that is k square equal to 4 into 2 into 3 equal to 0. That is k square minus 24 equal to 0. K square is 24 and k equal to, we are factorizing 24 and getting the answer as 2 root 6. And obviously it is a square root, so we have to take plus and a minus sign both. Okay, let's go with the next one. Here we go. To find the nature of roots. To find the nature of roots. What do we do to find the nature of roots? Time up, students. To find the nature of roots, what we do is we find the value of b square minus 4ac. See the solution. So after I get the value of b square minus 4ac, what I see is the value is 13. So when b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, we have two distinct real roots. So option B. Okay, let's hit the next one. The root or roots of the equation is given r is or r dash. Means we can have either one answer or two answer, a single or more than that, single or two. Okay, let's see. Last 5 seconds. Time up, students. Let's see the answer. The answer is 17 and minus 17. How? Okay, so the equation is x square minus 289. So that is a square minus b square identity, students, we are using here. And 289 is a perfect square. Okay, it is a square of 17. So I will get x plus 17 in bracket and x minus 17 in other bracket equal to 0. And when you solve, we get answer as minus 17 and 17. So there are two roots, 17 and minus 17. Option C. Okay, let's see the next one. What is the value of alpha into beta? Need to find the value of alpha into beta. For that also we have a formula. Okay, recall the formula and the sum is easy. Five seconds to go. Time up, students. The answer is minus 1. Okay, so the value of alpha into beta is c upon a. So the value of c is minus 3 and the value of a is 3. That answer is minus 1, option A. Okay, last two to go, students. See the next one. What is the value of, again, b square minus 4ac? But here the question is different. Okay, we have roots in the equation, so be careful. Time up, students. So the correct answer is 9. So let's see. B square minus 4AC, the value of B is 7. 7 square is 49. Minus 4 into root 2 into 5 into root 2. So when you multiply 4 root 2, 5 root 2, the answer is 40. 49 minus 40, answer is 9. That is option D. Okay, now let's see the last one. Okay, again, the root or roots of the equation. Same, we can have either one answer or two answer. Let's see what we get. Time up, students. Now we have to solve the equation. So obviously the answer is 0 comma 4. How? Okay, see what is the equation? 4x square minus 16x equal to 0. So the first step is you have to take 4x common. So 4x common, what you get in the other bracket is x minus 4 equal to 0. If I put the first term, that is 4x equal to 0, I get the value of x as 0. And if I put the second bracket equal to 0, that is x minus 4 equal to 0, I get the value of x as 4. So we have two answers. So we have two roots, that is 0 and 4, option A. Okay, students, I hope you like this test. So if you want more such tests coming from all the small topics or all the topics in algebra, geometry or science, okay, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get all the further notifications. Okay, thank you so much.